In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method using Wise on Upwork. This is an essential process for freelancers who are keen to receive their earnings smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible, ensuring you can get your payments without any hassle. First off, head over to Upwork. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Upwork into the search bar, or by simply entering www.upwork.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to navigate to your personal profile. You'll likely find your profile picture or icon in the upper corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now that you're in your profile, the next step is to find and click on Account Settings. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your Upwork account, including your payment methods. Once you've clicked on Account Settings, you'll see a list of options. Look for the Get Paid section. This is where we will focus our attention today. In the Get Paid section, you will have the option to manage how you receive your funds. Here you'll want to click on Add a Method. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your payments to be directed effectively. A range of payment methods should appear, and amongst these options, you will see Wise. Wise is a popular financial service that is known for its ease of use and cost-effective international transfers. Click on Wise to proceed with adding it as your payment method. After selecting Wise, you will likely be prompted to provide some additional information. This might include details that allow Upwork to link with your Wise account. Make sure you have your Wise account details handy, as you'll need them to complete this process. Enter all the necessary information carefully, ensuring everything is correct to avoid disruptions in your payment process. Once all the information is accurately filled out, you can finish the setup. You've now successfully added Wise as a payment method on your Upwork account. This should now facilitate quicker and potentially more affordable transfers when earnings are sent to your Wise account. The ease with which you'll now receive your payments can give you peace of mind, knowing your hard-earned money will reach you with minimal fuss. To wrap things up, once everything is in place, you should be ready to receive payments through Wise. So that's it. You've navigated through setting up Wise as a payment method on Upwork, and from here, you should be all set to enjoy your freelancing journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check further resources available online.